Now the topic is Wien's bridge. Wien's bridge is shown in the diagram. Wien's bridge consisting of two RC combination at two arms as shown in figure. Here R and C is in series combination, R and C is in parallel combination. Wien's bridge is used to measure the frequency and to measure the capacitance value with a high accuracy. By using this Wien bridge, we can measure the frequency and also the capacitance value. The impedance of the series RC combination, I mean this one, Z1 equal to the real part R1 plus 1 divided by j omega C1. This j comes to numerator, therefore R1 minus j omega C1, equation 1. Similarly, the admittance of the parallel, I mean this one, parallel RC combination is y equal to 1 by z, therefore y3 equal to 1 divided by R3 plus j omega C3. Using this bridge balance equation, Z1, Z4 equal to Z2, Z3. Z2 equal to R2, I mean Z2 equal to R2, Z4 equal to R4. Z1 is combination of R1 C1, R1 C1, and then Z3 equal to R3 plus C3. Therefore Z1 Z4 equal to Z2, Z3 is, I put it as a 1 by Y3, I mean admittance, Z equal to 1 divided by Y. Therefore Z2 equal to Y3 comes here, therefore Z1 Z4 Y3. Substituting the equation 1 and 2 in 3, I mean 1 and 2, this one and then this one, Z1 and Y3 value here. Therefore Z2 equal to R2, R2 equal to R4 into R1 minus j divided by omega C1 into R divided by R3 plus j omega C3. Then multiplying this one R1 into R4, this one j R4 divided by omega C1 into 1 divided by R3 plus j omega C3. Then multiplying this one R1 R4 into 1 divided by R3 equal to this one, again this one into this one, then minus j R4 divided by omega C1 into 1 by R3 equal to minus j R4 divided by omega C1 R3. Then multiplying these two is j square equal to minus 1 value, here minus 1, minus into minus plus, therefore then this omega cancel, C3 R4 divided by C1. Then R2 equal to split up into imaginary part, I mean j component and then real part. R2 equal to, this is the real part and also this one is also real part. These two are imaginary part, equating real and imaginary part. Therefore R2 equal to R1 R4 divided by R3 plus C3 R4 divided by C1. Then this imaginary part is equal to 0. In left hand side imaginary part is 0, that is we can equate by 0. Then take this equation first, I mean imaginary part, R4 divided by omega C1 C3 equal to, since it is 0, this will comes to right hand side, therefore negative sign becomes positive, omega C3 R1 R4. Then R4 divided by omega C1 R3, this R4 comes here, cancel, and R4 can cancel, equal to omega C3 R1. Then 1 divided by omega C1 R3 equal to omega C3 R1. Then omega into omega square C3 R1 equal to 1 divided by C1 R3, omega square equal to 1 divided by C1 C3 R1 R3. Then omega equal to root, yes, removing the take root on both sides, okay. Omega equal to 2 pi f, equal to 1 divided by root of this much, f equal to 2 pi into C1 R1 C3, or this is a imaginary part. Then there are two conditions to make the bridges in balance condition. One is by real part, I mean R, this equation, this is a real part, or another one is a imaginary part. Another one is imaginary part of the equation 5. Satisfying the condition R2 divided by R4 and excite the bridge by frequency given in the equation. In general, the resistance and capacitance are chosen as R1 equal to R3 equal to R. Similarly, C1 equal to C3 equal to C. Therefore, the equation R2 divided by R4 equal to what? R2 equal to R1 R4, sorry, R2 divided by R4 equal to R1 divided by R3 plus C3 divided by C1. Okay. Therefore, since we are taking the value R1 equal to R3 equal to R, C1 equal to C3 equal to C. Therefore, R2 divided by R4, R1 R3 are same. This will become 1, this will become 1 equal to 2. Therefore, R2 divided by R4 equal to 2. Similarly, equation F equal to 1 divided by 2 pi root of this equation, I mean C1 C3 is equal R1 R3 equal to 0, C equal. Therefore, C square R square equal to take root 2 pi RC. By using the above two equation, the bridge is used to measure the frequency in audio range. We can also find to measure the frequency also. F equal to 1 divided by 2 pi RC. Suppose for the known frequency, we can find the capacitance value also. Any one of the capacitance we can measure. What are all the precautions and errors using the bridge? The wires and leads using bridges or measuring should be minimal length. The wires which are using in the bridge must be in a minimum length. It leads to errors due to the stray inductance formed by, suppose more length of wires used means, if you form it as a length or a loop by a circular, that it gives a problem due to the inductance. The self capacitance of the lead is more important than inductance, otherwise it causes the errors in the measurement. It should be properly spaced. Capacity effect, stray capacitance is also give errors. Okay. Then in the capacitance measurement, the lead capacitance should be maintained as low as possible. Lead capacitance must be low, I mean lead of the capacitance must be less, otherwise it leads to errors in the measurement. It should be made up of fine wire to minimize the lead capacitance. The capacitance wire must be fine wire to avoid the capacitive effect. Okay. Then the leads are enclosed by metal tubes to shield. Otherwise, the external electromagnetic field causes errors in inductive and capacitive measurement.